Hello, hello, how are you? Today we're gonna learn with you more about the letter P and the letter N. Let's start from letter P. This is the P letter, which makes P sound. Can you repeat after me? P, P, P. This is the uppercase P and this is the lowercase p. What is this? Right, this is a pencil. P, P, pencil. Can you repeat after me? This is a pencil. P, P, pencil. Good job. What is this? This is a pink pig. Pink pig. P, P, pig. P, P, pink. Can you repeat after me? This is a pink pig. P, P, pig. P, P, pink. Good job. What comes next? This is a pineapple. P, P, pineapple. Can you repeat after me? This is a pineapple. P, P, pineapple. Good job. The next one is the letter N. The letter N makes N sound. Can you repeat after me? N, N, N sound. This is the uppercase N and this is the lowercase n. What is this? This is a nest. N, N, nest. Can you repeat after me? This is a nest. N, N, nest. Good job. Do you know what is this number? This is the number 9. N, N, 9. Can you repeat after me? This is the number 9. N, N, 9. Good job. What comes next? This is a nut. N, N, nut. Can you repeat after me? This is a nut. N, N, nut. Good job. There are some more tasks for you to practice more about the letter P and the letter N. Good luck. Bye-bye.